Hi all, welcome back to my channel, Lea's Teddy World. Please excuse my experience, what am I saying? My appearance, I just went jogging. So I'm a bit red in the face and not very put together, but yeah, usually I'm too lazy to do makeup anyway, but since the virus, I just haven't really done it that much anymore, only for special occasions. But anyway, I'm back with a very important video, I believe, which is about how to stop over shopping. And let's head right into it. You know how over shopping comes with pain? Like, it masks a pain that you don't want to feel. So, in order to deal with that pain, what I believe you need to do, I've had a little bit of an epiphany, is you need to replace over shopping with self-care. Because that is a healthier coping mechanism than over shopping, right? So, ideas for self-care include making a cuppa. I love hygge. I love using hygge, which is a Danish concept of comfort and coziness. There are whole books about the subject if you're interested. I think Mike Viking wrote a great one. That's probably the book about it if you want to read more, if you want to read up on it, but or you can just YouTube it. There are also videos about that. But not before finishing this one. Get all the tips and tricks you need and then go to another video. Yeah, lighting an amazing smelling candle, snuggling up in a soft and cozy warm blanket with a warm beverage and maybe a good book. And that leads me to the next idea, is reading. I'd love to read comfort reads, like maybe a romance novel. Something comforting, or something, what do you call it? Oh, I forgot the word. Oh my god, constructive, like a self-help book. Yeah, or journaling about my feelings is my newest and probably my best idea, because if you give up shopping, then all those feelings that it's been hiding will come up, according to a book I'm reading. So apparently the more you feel, so you need to like build up your strength to feel uncomfortable feelings. And apparently they're supposed to become less over time, but I feel like I've had these feelings since 2012 when I developed social anxiety and depression. And it's been so many years and it just doesn't go away. But maybe I've been handling it wrong because I'm still over shopping. So I just bought something 2 days ago. Bad, something I needed, but anyway, I didn't have the money for it. But I'm doing my best though, guys. I think I had this new epiphany afterwards. So let's see how I go with the self-care option. But what I was trying to say was that those feelings will come up, so be prepared. And so I thought one way of dealing with them would be to journal about it. I used to do I have done a lot of journaling in the past. I like it, but it's never really like helped me. But I think now it's going to start helping me, because it will now I actually see like a greater purpose in it, because I will be writing about my uncomfortable feelings and my pain and whatever, so as an alternative to over shopping, which will be great. So thanks for coming to my TED Talk. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a massive like, because it really helps the algorithm to push this video out to more over shoppers out there who may really benefit from this piece of information, or these pieces of information. I think they really need it, because there isn't that much information out there, like on YouTube or in general, even like self-help groups. There aren't any self-help groups for over shoppers. There are self-help groups for compulsive debtors, but not, I don't know, am I pronouncing this right? Debtors, right? Debtors. Sounds stupid. But not for shopaholics. So I think it's really missing. So, but I'm reading this good book. I want to start a series about the book and teach you the journaling exercises that are recommended in the book. So tune back in next week or whenever it's gonna be out. I'm not sure when exactly, but soon, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Or as we say in German, press the thumb. Yeah, so you can like learn, and you can also do those journaling exercises, and then hopefully it will help you too to stop over shopping. They're really good. The book is called To Buy or Not to Buy. So if you want a bit of a book, I will call it a book review, but I think it's gonna be more of a like relaying those exercises to you so you can do them as well if you don't want to buy the book. But I think you should buy the book. But first watch my videos so you get an idea of what it's about, and if you like it, you can buy the book. But anyway, also, if you like this video, consider subscribing for more content like this. If you want notifications, then set your notifications on so you don't miss that series about how to buy or not to buy, about the book To Buy or Not to Buy. And also for decluttering content. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning back in.